So we're all ready and set to go inside. My name is Melita Fernandez and it's my pleasure to be your host for today's summit. Very warm welcome to the 18th edition of India Digital Summit.
Welcome to Alpha Wolf Club present Wolf's Den Investor Summit.
And I welcome you all to the final day of the Smart Home Expo 2024.
This is Melita, your host today, and I welcome you all to Secure Expo 24 conference.
Officially kick off the Dun & Bradstreet G7 CR Technologies India's Top 500 Value Creators 2024.
Talk to that person for about a minute, tell them what your name is, what you're into, what business you like. Are you an investor? Are you a startup? If you have a company, what does your company do? Spend 1 minute doing that, and then the next 1 minute, the other person will introduce themselves.
It's my great honor to invite Srimati Mercy Ipal, the esteemed Joint Secretary of the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Government of India.
Not too many people have seen the man behind the smaller companies, but you're definitely the person. The designs that you build are actually a piece of art. How many back here are huge fans of architects and Guru? Please raise your hands. I mean, I absolutely love every design that you've created.
You guys are amazing. You guys are already adapting to the Gen Zs and millennials. Please give yourselves a big round of applause.
Thank you so much. We look forward to some more thought-provoking sessions that are going to be happening this morning, and hopefully there would be a conclusion and the entire committee can come together.
As an Indian brand, like obviously all the manufacturing, everything happens in India, but just to establish a brand name from a personal brand point of view, it is still a challenge. So how to crack that code? So when did you decide to actually establish AI Sensei, and what was the gap that you saw in the industry?
So if you could actually build yourself an interactive media experience or a media room, what would that room actually look like?
So as an individual level, what is that one thing that you tell individuals, how can they be safe from all of the cyber threats? Where does the education level actually happen? Does it happen at the society member level, or does the builder come in and say, hey, listen, I think having a green building will be a much more sustainable idea?
So the question that I have for you is, what's the most unique application you've seen someone create on Zoho Creator?
80% of these people converting into partners and customers to you guys. Thank you so much for joining us, and have a wonderful 24. We look forward to seeing you again in 25.
How did you feel? Like, did you get overwhelmed by just stepping into India? How was the emotions behind it?
Well,
just like the way you see it in the movies?
And it's very important to have all the brands under one roof, and it's fantastic to see Smart Home Expo actually bring close to about 200 to 250 brands under one roof. Ladies and gentlemen, can we please have a big round of applause for the winners?
Words, share your experience with us, please.
Oh my goodness, where do I start now? I wasn't prepared for a speech, to be fair. But firstly, I would like to say I've done a lot of expos in the past, but I think your team has been just absolutely fantastic. Coordinating with you and coordinating with Shreya has been just lovely. So thank you so much for all the hospitality.